Hello, welcome to FTPB Marine. I'm Owen. Today I'm going to show you about the anchor chains. We supply many different standard chains like DIN 766, Australia Standard, Nothing, and EN 818 standard anchor chains. Here, as we can see, this one is hot dip galvanized. It's strong. The strength is G43. Our advantage is we offer cast length cutting service. Tell us how many meters you want. We will make it happen. Another advantage is we can ship to you worldwide. We can send these chains from China to you directly whenever you are in Australia, USA, Europe. We can send chains to you with lower cost. Another one is the price is affordable. You can check the price on our website with this good quality chain and a very good price. Okay, this chains many sailors, global sailors, have already give us very good comments, and the quality is proved. So, if you are interested, and feel easy to contact me. See you next time. Bye bye.